Stop right there. Before you grab your coffee, check your phone, or stress about your bills, I need you to hear this. Everything you've been told about money is probably wrong. The hacks, the tips, the so-called secrets, well, they're not just unhelpful, they're keeping you broke. So today we're going to dismantle 10 of the biggest money secrets you're still believing in 2026. Some of these are subtle, but some are downright dangerous. And one of them, myth number 6, had me trapped for years. So by the end of this video, you'll see money differently. You'll stop chasing the illusion of wealth and start building real financial freedom. So let's jump right in. Myth number 1, financial freedom means being rich. And when most people think of financial freedom, they picture Lamborghinis, private jets, or designer clothes. But here's the truth, that's a myth. Real financial freedom isn't about status or looking rich. It's about having options. For me, it was small but powerful things. Being able to go grocery shopping and not stress over the price tag, ordering whatever I wanted at a restaurant and actually enjoying it instead of worrying about the bill, saying yes to a spontaneous trip to London or Monaco without checking my balance 10 times. Freedom is the ability to make choices without fear. Status is optional, and I'll tell you honestly, choosing freedom over status has given me more peace than any handbag ever could. Think about it. What does freedom mean for you? Next, a high income guarantees financial freedom. And here is the reality check. Earning a high income does not automatically make you free. You could be pulling in 6 figures and still living paycheck to paycheck. I've met people earning $100,000 or more with less net worth than someone making $50K a year because they were not intentional with the money. I've been there. In my early 20s, I made a decent income, but I was broke. Why? I spent without a plan. The lesson: your income doesn't determine your wealth. Your mindset, your habits, and your decisions do. High income is great, but without systems in place, it's just a number on a paycheck, really. Financial freedom comes from understanding your money, controlling it, and making it work for you, no matter how much or how little you earn. Starting your financial journey? Well, check out my book, Budget Like a Millionaire. It's full of practical tips to get a handle on your money and start building real financial freedom today. Myth number 3, you need to hustle 24/7. And I'm sorry to break it to you, but burnout is not a wealth strategy, and you better take it from me, mom of 2 little kids doing it all alone. Yet, we are constantly sold that idea that hustling 24/7 is the only way to get ahead. Wake up at 4 a.m., work until midnight. No wonder people feel exhausted and defeated. The truth, systems build wealth, not exhaustion. The smartest people don't work harder, they work smarter. They automate, delegate, and make their money work for them instead of trading hours for dollars. I know, because I've tried both extremes. I was burned out, I was overworked and chronically stressed, and it didn't make me richer or freer. And when I shifted my focus to creating systems and leveraging the efforts, everything changed. You can be effective and sane at the same time, and that's the real secret to lasting financial freedom. Next, you have to cut out all of the life's pleasures. While many people think building wealth means living like a monk, depriving themselves everything they love. But that's a myth. Life is meant to be enjoyed. Budgeting isn't punishment, it's planning. For me, I still enjoy my morning tea, evenings in the theatre, trips to London now and again. That's my little indulgences, and it doesn't ruin my finances. It's planned, intentional, and guilt-free. The real drain on your wallet isn't the little pleasures, it's mindless spending on things you don't need to impress people you don't even like. Wealth isn't about deprivation, it's about intentionality. So yes, enjoy life. That's part of freedom. Next is a popular one. All debt is bad. Did you watch my Dave Ramsey video? Well, I'll tell you what, not all debt is evil. Yes, credit card debt can ruin you if left unchecked, but debt can also be a tool. Strategic debt can help you grow your business, upscale yourself, and invest in opportunities that return more than you spent. I personally took out $1,600 loan for a wealth coach program. I didn't have the money back then, but I knew it would allow me to start a side hustle helping other people. Within a year and a half, I turned that investment into $10,000. That's a strategic debt. The key is knowing the difference between debt that destroys you and debt that helps you grow. Debt itself isn't a bad word, it's how you use it that matters. Next one, investing is only for the rich. This is a big one that held me back for years because I thought investing was only for wealthy people, for those with a finance degree or fat bank account. I was wrong. Even $10 a week is enough to start. Start small, start early, and let compound growth work for you. I began with pocket change from an app, ignored it for years, and eventually I realized I needed to educate myself. I lost some money at first, but I learned, adapted, and now my investments are growing steadily. The real question is, what's scarier, starting small or never starting at all? Myth number 7, it's too late to start. One of the biggest myths keeping people stuck is thinking that it's too late. But too late is just an excuse your brain creates to avoid action. The truth, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. No matter your age, stage, or past mistakes, you can start building wealth today. I started my online business in my late 30s. Was it scary? Well, absolutely. Was it worth it? Every single day. Small steps taken consistently create momentum. Don't let the fear of starting late stop you from creating your future. Next, passive income is easy, but here's the truth. Passive income isn't effortless. Whether it's rental properties, a business, or dividend portfolios, someone has to put in the time, effort, and money first. I built this YouTube channel as a side hustle and I didn't get instant rewards, not at all. But over time, it became a tool for creating income and helping others. Simple, yes. Easy, not at all. Anyone who tells you otherwise is selling a fantasy. Real freedom takes effort, but the payoff is worth it. Myth number 9. Many people believe that financial freedom is the finish line, and you need to understand financial freedom isn't a destination, it's a lifestyle. Just like your health, it requires ongoing maintenance. You don't reach a goal and then stop. It's about building habits that last, adjusting as life changes, and staying intentional with your money. That's why freedom is so powerful. It's a practice. Every choice, every habit, every investment builds toward that life of options, control, and peace. Next, financial freedom is only for the rich or privileged. Yes, privilege can help, of course, but it's not required. I didn't grow up wealthy. I didn't have a finance degree. What I had was curiosity, persistence, and a willingness to learn from my mistakes. Financial freedom is available to anyone willing to take action, develop habits, and stay consistent. I learned through Google, YouTube, and trial and error. And if I can do it, you can too. Listen, financial freedom isn't a fantasy, it's a formula. Build habits, track your spendings, learn how to invest, be intentional, and most importantly, start. If this video helped you rethink even one myth, click that like button. Not only does it let me know this content is helpful, but it also tells the YouTube algorithm to stop showing you those AI scams, crypto schemes, and get-rich-quick nonsense. And hey, if you're still figuring this out, me too. So let's figure this out together. Subscribe for more guidance on building real financial freedom, and I'll see you in this video right here.